Job, who had lost his health, he'd lost his family, he'd lost his home, still celebrated in the midst of trial and suffering. Especially in the presence of friends who were telling Job that the reason he was suffering is because God was displeased with him. You know, it wasn't too long ago that people felt the same way about cancer. They thought that it was God's punishment for something that they had done wrong. It was some kind of moral deficit, something dirty. It wasn't that long ago. Thank God we're beginning to realize the truth that cancer is not God's punishment. We know what cancer is, don't we? It's rapid cellular division. It's cells doing what they're not supposed to do. And when I was a little boy, I got Dad's brand new crescent wrench. He just brought it home from Reed Groves. Everybody know where Reed Groves is? I hear some laughs over here. Some people know where Reed Groves is. I walked farm and home. Anyway, he had a brand new crescent adjustable wrench, and I went and I took the wrench and used it to stir some barn paint. I was young, but you know what I got, apart from a spanking, was a ruined crescent wrench. Well, that's pretty much like cancer. Cancer is our own cells doing what they're not designed to do. They're being used incorrectly. But you know what? The cure is out there. We just haven't found it yet. But we're so much further on than we were even 5 years ago. And 20 years from now, we're going to look back on the year 2010 and we're going to say, can you believe those primitive things we used to do to treat cancer? But you know they're working, they're helping. We have the evidence right here. We have the survivors right here who have experienced the healing that comes from these. I was just looking at the National Cancer Institute website today.